whether your parents are alive or have returned to Allah. Please don't scroll. Raise your hands. This dua is for them, the ones who carried us, cried for us, and made us who we are. Ya Allah, bless our parents with endless mercy. If they are alive, oh most merciful, grant them long lives filled with health, peace, and strong iman. Let us serve them with love before it's too late. Don't let us ever take them for granted. Shower their hearts with joy. Ease every burden from their shoulders. And let us be the reason they smile in this dunya. Ya Rab, if they have passed away, forgive every sin. Expand their grave and fill it with light. Let it be a garden from the gardens of Jannah. Raise their ranks among the righteous. Let them drink from the fountain of Al-Kawthar. Let them be in the company of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And reunite us with them in Jannatul Firdaus, never to be separated again. Ya Allah, accept their dua for us even now. And let us be a sadaqah jariyah for them. A legacy of good that never ends. Ameen, Ameen, Ameen. So as you've heard this dua, now share this video for your parents, for your brother, your friend, your sister, your family member who has passed away. Because sharing it will be the most beautiful gift you give them today. It is sadaqah jariyah, a good deed that reaches their soul even now. Don't be stingy with this khair. Hit that share button and let someone else say Ameen for your loved one too. And may Allah grant them Jannah. Insha'Allah, may Allah grant you Hannah as well. My sisters, listen to me for a moment. Today I want to speak to your heart, not to judge you, just a reminder, because sometimes we forget. A good man carries a lot. He walks outside every day with pressure on his shoulders to provide, to protect, to stay strong even when he's tired. And most of the time, he keeps it all inside so he doesn't worry you. But even the strongest man needs kindness. Even the quietest man needs respect. Even the calmest man needs peace in his own home. My sisters, if you want love to grow in your marriage, give your husband a soft place to land. Speak to him gently. Appreciate the effort he makes, even if it's small. Respect is not weakness. Kindness is not losing. When you honor your man, he becomes a better man for you. And Allah places barakah in a home built on mercy. May Allah fill your homes with peace, understanding, and softness. Ameen. And to my brothers and my sisters listening, if this reminder carries truth, then let it reach someone else. There are marriages breaking silently. One message can rebuild a home. Sharing a reminder that brings peace between two people is a form of sadaqah. You may never know who it helps, but Allah knows. So share it and let it heal another home. This dua is for you. Yes, you watching right now. May Allah write this dua for you and accept it fully. Ameen. Bismillah. Ya Allah, grant the soul watching right now a peaceful, beautiful ending. Let their last breath be in peace. Their final words be La ilaha illallah. Let the angel of death come to them gently, with a smile of mercy, not in pain, not in fear, but in full submission to you. Ya Allah, take them when you are pleased with them, not in sin, not in heedlessness, not far from you can scroll away. It's okay. I get it. It's another Islamic video, right? But listen, this one's different. It's not an accident. You stopped here. Maybe Allah wanted you to hear this today. Maybe this dua is exactly what your heart has been needing. So don't scroll. Stay right there and let me make this dua for you. Ya Allah, the most merciful, for this person listening right now, bless them. They've been through things nobody knows, and yet they still try to smile. Forgive them for every sin, the ones they remember, and the ones they've forgotten. Remove their pain, replace it with peace, and fill their heart with light and hope again. Ya Allah, if they are struggling in silence, ease their path. If they are waiting for something, bring it closer. If they are tired, grant them rest. If they are afraid, give them courage. And if their faith feels weak, Ya Rab, strengthen it with your mercy. Protect their family, guide their heart, answer their secret du'as, the ones they whisper only to you, and never let them feel alone. Because you are always with them, closer than their own heartbeat. My brother, my sister, if this dua touched your heart, don't let it stop here. Let your share be your sadaqah. Because the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, the one who guides others to good gets the same reward. So don't keep this to yourself. Share it so that every person who says Ameen becomes part of your reward, even long after you've left this world. Don't scroll and forget. Spread it so this dua reaches every heart that needs it. And may Allah bless you for being the reason someone's faith is renewed. Ameen.